Hey guys, what's up? So my tools got stolen out of my backpack over the weekend, and I need another analog test butt. But I've actually had this for about 10 years, and I don't test a lot of analog stuff anymore. Very rarely, so I don't want to spend another $100, $200 on another analog test set, whereas I've had this for a while, but the problem is it broke. It stopped working. So I would get power, but I wouldn't get dial tone. So it was kind of deceiving. I've already kind of messed with this a little bit to try to figure it out. I thought I'd show you what I discovered with this thing, because this thing actually was about $100. But like I said, I haven't been able to use it for a long time just because I couldn't hear any dial tone. I wouldn't do any pickups. But I got power though, so let me show you real quick. Some batteries in here real quick. I'll show you what I suspected the problem was and why it was kind of deceiving at first. Why, you know, I thought there was something wrong with it, but I took a closer look, and I'll show you that in a second. So I'll put some batteries in it right now quick. So as you can see, I'm getting power to this device. And right, so I'm getting power to the device. So that's good, right? But I'm not getting dial tone when I hook up to an analog phone line. So I started looking closer at this thing, and then I realized I saw this little fuse right here. So let me do a little continuity test. No continuity. So I probably hit some kind of voltage on one of my when I was testing my line a long time ago, and I didn't realize it shot out this fuse. But when I originally when I looked at this thing, I thought this fuse was for the battery, so I didn't think the fuse was blown because I was getting power here. I didn't realize that this fuse was actually to protect the line current. So if you actually hit some kind of like voltage, it would shut the device off to protect it. So got some new fuses over at Home Depot. So if you're having the same issues, I don't know about. I used to have a Fluke TS44 and a TS25 that I lost. My TS44 got stolen out of my other toolbox. Yeah, I actually had really bad luck in the last 3 months, man. Got ripped off twice. First time my big toolbox. The second time they broke into my truck and stole my my laptop bag. And I did have a video on my new laptop, but they took my laptop bag, all my actual more expensive Fluke testing tools. Alright, so now we're getting continuity. Now, I don't actually have an old analog line anymore. I mean, it's been a long, long time since I've had an analog line. So, I actually have an ATA converter. I don't know if this is even online or not. But, yeah, this mine or mine, I can't remember if this thing is programmed or not. But I'll give it a sec. I'm going to give it a try real quick. Alright, so I actually have this connected to my my ATA little converter. So basically it creates an FXO signal, so it generates the actual tone, but it converts it to voice over IP, so it's actually into my phone system here. I don't know if this thing actually speaker or not. It's been a long time since I messed with this thing. That's store. Dial tone. That means it's working again, so that's awesome. I don't know if this thing had speaker or not. But, okay, cool. I got my test phone again. Now I don't think I'll buy a new one because, like I said, I don't test enough analog phones anymore, or fax lines or whatever to, you know, I don't want to spend $100 or $200 on a Fluke one, like a TS25 or something. But I rarely ever test analog lines anymore. So, cool, back in business. So if you have the same problem, you know, you might hit some voltage and burn out that fuse. So, cool, that's it. I know, kind of stupid video, but hopefully this helps somebody. Check that fuse. Like I said, it was deceiving because I thought that fuse was there to protect this thing right here, the battery power, not the actual line voltage here. So, alright. Hopefully this helps somebody. Alright, cool.